Alright, here we have a motorcycle with a broken toe peg. So the shifter peg has snapped off. I'm going to show you how to get the old one out and put the new one in. Zoom in on it here. So first what I want to do is put duct tape around it to just protect the lever before I go drilling into it. I was tempted to grab this little high spot here and try to twist it with some kind of pliers, but I don't think that would work. I think I'd just end up scratching everything up and not getting very far. Now obviously duct tape isn't drill proof, but it's going to help. So now we've got it duct taped up. And now we drill a hole in the middle. I'm going to move over here so I don't block the camera. And this is tricky business. You don't want to get off center here. Well, this is pretty lightweight alloy, so it's going pretty quick. And that's dead center, so I know I'm not going to get into the threads as long as I drill straight through. Easy. Now I have purchased a set of these, what do you even call them? We used to call them easy outs, bolt extractors I guess you'd call them. You drill into the bolt and then you put this bit into your drill. Put your drill in reverse and it should just pull the threaded thing right out. And then we're ready to put the new one in. Alright, I've decided to go with a bigger drill bit to drill it out a little bigger, and the reason for that is that way I can use a stronger easy out to get it out, and there's less chance of the easy out breaking. Of course you want to make sure that you're not going to drill into the threads here. Make sure that your hole is dead center and you're not drilling into any of the threads. Alright, making sure the drill is in reverse. Let's see what we get here. Ah, crap. I made a big hole. I'm going to remove all this tape just in case it's restricting the motion. Got it. And you can see, flip my camera over. Come on, camera, focus. So you can see it came out, and if we look here, you can see the threads are still intact. They're perfectly safe. Now they recommend putting some red thread locker on it. This is a Buell Cyclone. You can see the little bits of red thread locker that are in here. So I'm going to clean out these threads and then get our new toe peg and put it in there. Right, I'm reading the official instructions here. They say install the toe peg assembly onto the shift lever until the toe peg threaded stud shoulder contacts the shift lever, tighten until snug. So that means there's no official torque setting. So I've got thread locker on it. I just tighten it down until it is snug. And then we are ready to ride. Well, not really. We're ready to let it dry for 24 hours and then ride.